Hello, everyone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build a real website on Fluger from scratch. No code, no hosting hassles. You'll create a site, set up your first user, and sign in to the backend. Look around, upload images, set up layouts, and drop live widgets onto your pages. This walkthrough is for creators, not developers. Just follow along at your own pace and click the same buttons we click. By the end, your site will be live at your own address, showing your channels, your branding, and your content. So let's get started. Your website's live inside the Fluger dashboard. Just click on Websites, it's still in beta, and give your site a title. That's what visitors will see in the Browser tab. Then choose a slug. This becomes your address, yourslug.fluger.tv. The dashboard checks availability as you type, so you'll know right away if the name is free. If you already own a domain, paste the host name into custom domain and point its CNAME to WL. Fluger TV. Click Create, and your new site appears as a card in the grid, ready to configure. You can switch it offline or online anytime from the gear menu on the card. Your site needs a login before you can manage it. On the website card, click the gear and choose Users. The website users window opens. Click Add to create the first account. Enter a display name and email. Set a password and repeat it to confirm. For the very first account, choose the admin role so you have full control. You can add editors and viewers later for teammates who only need to write or read content. Click Add and the user will show up in the list. Ready to sign in? You'll see. You'll use this. Same email and password in the next steps, so keep them handy. Now jump into the site backend. From the Gear menu, just click Website Backend, and it will open here. It opens your admin in a new tab at your slack.flugo.tv/admin. Enter the same email and password you just created and click Sign In. Fluger drops you right into the admin dashboard, which appears on your screen, landing you in the first module your role can access. Branding is where your site gets its personality. Open Branding from the side menu and pick a template. Each card is a ready-made look for your site, and you can switch to a different one later without losing your pages. Upload your logo so it appears in the header, and a favicon for the Browser tab. If you need small design tweaks, drop them into Custom CSS. This overrides the template styles without touching any files, which is handy for subtle color changes or small layout fixes. When you're happy, click Save Branding. On a brand new site, Fluger even prompts you to choose a template before anything else. You'll never see an unstyled page. Every site needs images, and the Images module keeps them organized. Open Images and start with New Folder. Think of folders like albums, home, blog, channels, whatever works for you. You need to open a folder before you can upload anything. That way, the library stays organized as it grows. Click Upload and drag your files into the drop zone. Fluger accepts PNG and JPEG files up to 20 megabytes each and shows upload progress for every file. Click any image to open its details. Rename it with a safe name, and switch between the tabs to preview the variants Fluger generates automatically. The exact size gets decided later. based on where the image is used. On this screen, you can delete or rename anything you don't need anymore, and use the breadcrumb at the top to jump back to the folder view. Layouts are the skeleton of every page. Under the Layouts section, you'll find two tools. Site Layouts is the main one. Pick a layout file, and you'll see its named regions: header, footer, sidebar, and so on. Drag widgets into those regions to set defaults that appear on every page using that layout. If a page doesn't add its own content for a region, whatever you place here will show up instead. Widget layout is more advanced. It lets you override the HTML of a specific widget type, like channels list, just for this site. The reference snippet on the right shows the default markup, so you can copy it into the custom template box, tweak it, and save your override. Revert to default removes your override at any time. Now for the fun part. Open Pages and click Create Page. Give it a title. Tweak the URL slug, or accept the suggested one. Fill in the SEO fields. Make sure you tick Show in Navigation and create the page. You'll see a live preview on the left with dashed regions outlined, and the widget palette on the right. Grab a hero widget from the palette and drop it into a region. The region turns green while you drag, so you always know where you're aiming. The settings modal opens. Fill in the fields, click Save, and the widget appears in the preview. Add more widgets, then drag them in the region to reorder by moving one card before another, and click Edit on any card to tweak it later. If you change your mind, you can undo changes to this card and put the page back the way it was. Hit Save to store your work, then Publish. The page goes live at your site address. Now let's pick an image for your slide. Add a title. Let's add another slide. Pick another image. There we go. Publish. Now let's check out the navigation. Navigation is generated automatically from your site menu based on the actual pages you've published. No manual link lists to maintain. You can include all pages under the current page or just a few selected ones, and choose whether the menu is horizontal or vertical. Use it in your header as your main menu, in a sidebar to show your sections, or in the footer as a small link list. I hope this was helpful. Follow our channel for more videos like this that help you create your website and customize it to fit your needs. Thank you.